and line them up, and then we'll shoot them with the 50 BMG. These things are really heavy. Once they're full of water, these are probably weighing over 400 pounds. So just want you to know I had a really hard time getting these out here today. Whew. Okay, we're good to go. So here's the plan. We're gonna shoot the barrels first with a Hornady 750 grain AMAX. Then after that, whatever we have left, we'll shoot with a full metal jacket and see if we can get that to stop in some water. So I'm going to be honest, I'm a little disappointed right now. I figured that first barrel would have just exploded, but it didn't. It is bulged. You can see this white line here where the plastic is bulged. We've got a little hole up front, and surprisingly, nothing out of the back. Well, I guess let's go ahead and just roll this one out of the way. Oh, and roll that out of the way. A little more. Get out of here. Now let's shoot at these 5 with a full metal jacket and see how many we make it through. Now that we know one 55-gallon barrel of water will stop a 750 grain AMAX. I am still in disbelief that that one 55-gallon barrel stopped that AMAX. But that bullet is made to expand, so I guess really it's not that surprising. So now let's see how many we make it through with a 660 grain full metal jacket. I hear it. I see it. Just getting the thing out of there is going to be hard. Okay, just like I thought, there's just a bunch of tiny pieces of lead in there where the AMAX just shredded. But I did get some out of it. Here's a big piece of lead. Here's some jacket. And this is pretty cool. This is the polymer tip of that AMAX round. So that's it for today. Hey, if you decide to call Serbu because you're interested in a Serbu RN50, don't forget to mention Kentucky Ballistics on your initial call, and they'll give you 50